Hello everyone, Happy New Year. I am so excited to share with you this glam look that I got today for New Year's Eve. So it's pretty much done, so I'm gonna show you what I did and what I'm gonna do to finish it. So first of all, I did have my hair blown out. Thank you, All Dressed Up here locally. Definitely wanna go look at them. They're amazing. They'll even come to your house. So they're amazing. But I do have to say, so it was a little tight. So see this side right here, how it's like kind of too tight? I already kind of relaxed this. So all you do, if you get a blowout and you feel like the curls are just a little too much, you just take the end and check this out. Just take it very ever so slightly on the end of your curls like that. And it just sort of it mellows it out. See that? Okay, right? How easy is that? Just take each little end and just kind of run the straightener on it. You don't want to straighten it all the way. You just want to relax it. Like this one, I kind of like this one curly, but like maybe this one's too much. So you just kind of go like that and it relaxes your curls. So how great is that? And then this side is a little too like, va-va-voom. So all I'm gonna do is take this little piece right here and just straighten it a little bit like that. Bring it down and then kind of run my fingers through it and kind of see how it's, because it's already relaxed. Like I had this done like a couple hours ago. So you just kind of let it just relax. And if it's not relaxed enough, you just kind of take it, take the flat iron and just see that. It just kind of mellows it out a little. It's not as like, woo, hello, Hollywood. I want a little Hollywood glam, but maybe not too much. So this makeup look, I got the idea from Lisa Eldridge. I'll link her video below. But all she did was this. She's like, take your palette. So I have the Morphe. This palette is the Morphe 35F, okay? This is actually more shimmery shades, but what I started with was this matte shade right here. And all I did was put that matte shade, and I'll do a little bit for you to see, is I put this matte shade actually all over my lid and in the corners, in the V of the corner, okay? And it's pretty pigmented. So, and then I just, if it wasn't glam enough, I darkened it and then I put a little under my eyes like this. And then I did use an eyeliner. This eyeliner that I use, which I actually love, from the drugstore, Wet n Wild. And it's Wet n Wild, what's it called? Oh gosh, of course, Wouldn't You Know. Love that name, Wouldn't You Know. Love that eyeliner. Then all she did was say, after you've put a dark brown eyeliner and a dark brown eyeshadow, all you do is you take this golden, any golden bronzy shimmer shade, and you put it right on top, just like that, right on top of the brown. And the golden mixes with the brown and it gives it this amazing shimmery look. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Yes, please. Love that. Okay. So that was for the eyes. Then I did put eyelashes on. I used the Ardell 110 Ardells. So that's it. Then of course I took my famous, this is Kevin Aucoin. I took his bronzing and just put my bronzer on and glam it up. I mean, it's New Year's Eve, so glam it up. Do your 3, just like this, your 3. And then I took my shimmer, my highlighter, and this is the Becca Champagne Pop. And I took my fan brush, which of course I can't find it right now. Well, I'll take this one. You can use, this is a stipple brush. This is the e.l.f. stipple brush, it does the same thing. And you just put it right here, love that. And a little down the, right like that. And actually, I like to put it on the sides too. Just like that, okay? Love that, how great is that? Then I used Charlotte Tilbury. You know I love Charlotte Tilbury. I did a video with her stuff. This is her Color Chameleon Bronzed Garnet. And this I went over my eyeliner with this, and it's just a little bronzy. It just softens it a little bit, but you are going for a glam look. Then I waited to touch up my eyes for this video. Then you take this any kind of toucher up and touch up anything that's fallen down, all the, powders that have fallen down. You just touch up your eyes with this and it just brightens your eyes so much. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yes, please. Look at that, just brighten it. It just gets rid of all the fallout. So definitely do that, love it. Then moving on to the lips. I did not do the lips because I love this lip color. This is Trendy Mauve. from Lancome. And this came in, I think, the lipstick or the Lancome box. Oh, if you did not see my Lancome video for the beauty box, I'm pretty sure this came in that. And I didn't even put on lip liner. Can you believe it? Like, it just goes on so creamy. And I love this color. It goes great with these dark colors that I'm using right now. Love that. And then, of course, you know, I like to put some shimmer. But guess what? I'm just going to use my eyeshadow today. So you get the shimmery, like champagne shimmer, and you just put it right there. I know it looks like dramatic, but like I said, it's New Year's Eve. You want everything dramatic. And then you just literally, you can just put eyeshadow, whatever you have. If you don't have highlighter, put eyeshadow, pop it in the middle there. Love that so much. Okay, for my eyebrows, I used Anastasia Taupe Brow Powder Duo. It comes in this duo, so it has the lighter and the darker. I used the darker, and I used her Anastasia brush too to apply it. So love that so much. For my foundation, I used, and they don't make it anymore, and I'm furious, Naked Skin from Urban Decay. They have some new product. I have to try it just to be, you know, I'm so mad. Like, this is, I cannot believe it. Like, I'm shook. I'm shook that they don't make it anymore. And then okay, but I didn't, so after I put my lashes on, I saved it for this. You still put mascara on over the top of your lashes. So I'm gonna do that right now. Just put that right over the top of the lashes. You have your false lashes and your real lashes. And this kind of brings them together. And, okay, yes, please. And then, I think I told you, oh, so Rachel Zoe. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm wearing my Rachel Zoe robe. Love this from my Rachel Zoe. But okay, she did this collaboration with Lorac. And this is what it looks like. These are those amazing colors. I love these so much. So she has this color in the corner, this gold shimmer glimmer. It's unbelievable. And for it's perfect for New Year's Eve. Check this out. Look at that. I mean, it is so dramatic. I love it. And it does fall down a little, so you kind of have to be careful. But I just put that right on the top of my eye for a little sparkle. Yes, please. Hello, let's ring in the new year with a little sparkle. Look at that. It's so dramatic. I love it so much. So Lorac, 100%, Rachel Zoe. Love this sparkle so much. She did such a great job. Then, oh, I wanted to show you, okay, if you don't know about this book, Making Faces by Kevin Aucoin. I've gotten so many ideas from here, but this bronze look, check it out. Oh my gosh, yes please. So this is kind of the look I'm going for tonight, but if you, next time, you gotta order this on Amazon, get it at the bookstore. This is like ride or die makeup book, 100% recommend that. And then, okay, the last but not least, okay, don't forget I have this perfume, Arizona. I think I got this for my birthday this year. Love that so much. Don't forget your perfume. And then, also, let's see, what's the last thing I want to say? Well, you know what, let me tell you this. It's a new year. I'm excited. I'm excited for 2020, and I'm excited to have a new, fresh start. Everyone keeps talking about the clarity and vision in 2020, and I'm going to do a video on that. And so I think we all need to cast a vision for what we want out of our lives, whether it's, you know, in relationships or in whatever it is that you want to work on, fitness, whatever it is. You know, I think you do need goals. I'm not the best goalkeeper in the world, but you know, I made a commitment to play more tennis, and I've achieved it. So when I look back on things I wanted to do last year, I did have some successes and some failures, and I think it's important that you just reevaluate. It is, you know, the end of one year, say goodbye to this year and say hello to the next year, and I'm excited for that. And of course, I'm gonna lean into my faith this year, and I've got a lot of things, but I'll save that for the next video. But until then, Happy New Year. I love you. Thank you, all of you who have come to me and tell me how much I've helped you or that you enjoy what I'm sharing. So don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, Happy New Year. Bye. Love ya.